Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. You probably hear the birds in the yard. They're so excited. I just refilled the Droll Yankee Whipper bird feeder. And the reason they love it is because it keeps the squirrels away. And that's why I love it too. It has perches at the base that are curved, and at the weight of the squirrels, they collapse. So the squirrels can't hold themselves up long enough to eat all the birdseed. The tube holds quite a bit of birdseed, about 5 pounds. So I don't have to refill it often, but when I do, it's very simple to do. Just lift the cover at the top and fill it with the birdseed. There's also what you call an internal baffle that distributes the birdseed evenly amongst the 4 openings at the base. It's powder coated and very sturdy. It's a nice blue color. Now I get to enjoy the beauty of nature and see all the different birds that come to my back door, thanks to the Yankee Droll Whipper. And that's my point of view.